So, isn't it beautiful, this view? It's an amazing view. We have it here from our room, and today I will show you the room and also a bit what we have here. So you can see we do have there the infinity pool, what they call. Then we have there also on the right the spa area, and then also here we have on the bottom side there you have some lagoon rooms, and I was also able to get access to these rooms to have a little look. And these are pretty nice actually. You can go straight from your balcony into those rooms. So the beach there, a bit of a foggy day today, but that's what you get with these amazing mountains. You get some roll up of fog and a mist and a bit of clouds. Anyway, this is the balcony. Looks amazing. And let's have a look inside the room. So we go inside. Let's have a look here. Looks amazing. And we do have some very good chairs and couch. Sorry for the mess, we are already staying here for a couple of days. You do get a very nice baggy bag. I don't think we can keep it. But the couch is very nice. We didn't stay here much. And you have here also a nice little area for your food and drinks. Let's see here. We did get some nice chocolate. I can show you the version which was not already eaten, but this is the chocolate we got. Looks amazing. And also the non-eaten version was very nice. And then we have here some lavazza coffee and all of the different things in here. It was very delicious. Some water complimentary. And then I can show you here, if you follow me this way, then you have, let's say, the wardrobe, which looks very nice on the right. Not too special, just a typical wardrobe. And then here on my left you have the bathroom, which also looks very nice. I will show it here in a bit. And to quickly show you where I'm entering, actually is not the entrance of the apartments. We do have some kind of, let's say here, office space entry, which is pretty nice, but it's not too special. So let's get back into the room and show you the bathroom, which was very nice. It's a very big bathroom. It's for, let's say, 2 people. I'll let you inside and give you a little look. So the bathroom is very nice, as you can see. It has 2 sinks, an amazing bathtub, an amazing shower. It's pretty nice actually. And also a nice little toilet here on this side. Let me put all the lights on for you. And this is on this side. After you checked out the toilet, that's enough. You have also obviously the 2 sinks, but again we have our stuff there. So let's continue to this room. You have an amazing bedroom, very big bed, very cozy cushions like always. You have a little, what is it, vanity for my wife who likes it a lot. And then here you have a big TV, which is very cool, internet connected, which I like. We didn't use it, but it is nice. And then you have only one, let's say, window here, which brings you to the outside again, where we started. Let's come outside and have a look. And we do have some parrots here, but that's it. We have an amazing place here, an amazing view, and I think it was an amazing experience. We also went to one of the islands, which is very famous here in Muscat, in Oman, which we really enjoyed. I can show you some videos of it too, so it was amazing. And that's it. This is the room. I hope you liked it, and see you in the next one. Bye bye. There's one more thing I want to show for sure, or a couple of things I want to show, and that's, for example, this room I mentioned before. It's this lagoon room where you can go from your balcony straight into the pool, or at least the lagoon pool, which you see here. It's an amazing feature, I think, of this hotel, and they were also fully booked out over the weekend because a lot of the locals actually come to this part of the hotel, because it's kind of fun to come with, I guess, the family and the kids, because you can just go into the pool straight. You're kind of private, it's not too deep, so it's a very special feature of this pool, of this hotel, this pool. And also in the evening it looks beautiful, as you can see. So yeah, overall I think this restaurant is, or this hotel and the restaurant is very good. They have a couple of restaurants, and I will show you here in a bit also the breakfast, which was very amazing, I must say. They have some kind of buffet over lunch and in the evening, which is truly amazing. But they have some birds who try to take the food, which was kind of funny to see. But the buffet is very high quality. The bread was amazing. That's something in the Middle East you don't always see, good bread. There were real pastries, like French pastries. I could not have them better in Europe, so I enjoyed it. We also took one time when we just arrived, we asked them to bring it to the room because we were a bit sleepy, and even that they did, and the bread was still fine because we ordered a bit late. But as you can see, they have all types of savory and sweet options. It is really delicious, and it is such a big place. In, let's say, around 10-11, just before closure, it gets kind of busy. We had this place for ourselves because we were leaving in the morning, so yeah, be sure to go on time if you want a bit more less crowded places. Then we go to the spa area, which is also something which is, I think, one of the key features of this hotel, because it's a pretty good one. It's a totally separate place, so it's a separate building, so that already creates some kind of nice atmosphere, because you can just go there, and other people, if they want to go, they also need to go there, so you will not have too much people be there at the same time, because it takes a little bit of effort. It's not straight into the same hotel, but as you can see, it's like built very nicely. It is very big actually, so the man and the woman are separated, so that already creates a bit more space for everyone. So they had also an infrared room, which is not something that common, so yeah, I really enjoyed it, the infrared room, and also a sauna and a steam room, and also a hammam. But the hammam you need to book, and it was around, I think, 25 to 50 euros to book it. So some of the things they will try to upcharge you, but a lot of the main, let's say, spa things you can just get yourself. And here I also show some shots from the hotel itself. We were a bit unlucky with the weather, but you can see they have a lot of facilities, like for example the gym was amazing, and we really enjoyed it. We could not play tennis, but the tennis and I think they even have, I think, squash or some badminton. It's all for free. You just have to like rent out the rackets for like maybe €5 max, so it was very amazing. And then this is the entrance hall of the hotel itself, which I didn't show yet, but this looks like a mosque or a church, so it's amazing looking, and it's really a piece of art. It's in the center of the hotel. It had like a big area like this, so it's a truly amazing space. It is a unique hotel, and as I understand, the hotel was used in, I think, the 70s for a big GCC meeting, and then it was converted to an intercontinental hotel, and then it was actually recently, the last 10-15 years, it was changed to a Ritz hotel. So actually only recently it became a Ritz, but you can see they really take care of it. It's quite busy, I must say. I didn't expect it because we went in the summer period, and in the summer period it's a bit hot, but yes, again, we had a bit of luck, some would say, because it was not too hot but a bit cloudy. We also went on to have some dinner. The dinner is, for the buffet, was €50 or €40 per person. For a normal dinner at the beach restaurant like we have here, you still are going to pay at least 30-35 euros per person. So it's gonna be a bit expensive, obviously, in the Ritz, but it is well worth it. I think for the Ritz here you pay around 300 euros a night, so that's quite a hefty price. We did this with points, so I would personally think twice to pay this much amount, but if you can do it with the points or do it with points and cash, then it's a pretty good deal. We also had the opportunity to go to one of the key islands, the Maniat Island, I forgot it, but it's one of the main islands there that look like paradise. Again, we had a bit, not too much luck because we had a bit of clouds. Luckily, throughout the day the sun came out, so we had some amazing dives, and I will show you here some in the end how we snorkeled and dived actually with some turtles, which was really amazing. Also, the company we rented for the day, I think we paid 60 or 70 euros per person, which is not too little, but you do get somewhat of a private experience with only one other group of people on the boat. But as you can see, even with limited sun, the water is so clear. You don't have the most amazing coral, but that's what you expect, of course, but still the clarity of the water and the animals being free there is truly amazing. So I hope you really enjoyed the video. Don't forget to have a look at my channel, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.